If you are looking for the best knitting needle, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Vancens circular wooden knitting needles. If you're looking for circular needles in a large range of sizes, this set from Vancens should fit the bill. Made from bamboo, they're lightweight, smooth, and require less tension than metal needles. The set includes 18 needle sizes, connected with colorful plastic tubing. In addition to the circular needles, the set includes some helpful tools, including a crochet hook, locking stitch markers, tapestry needles, measuring tape, and scissors. You can purchase these needles in a 31.5-inch or 16-inch length. This set of knitting needles come in pairs and come in 18 different sizes. Number 2. BCMRUN knitting needle set. This set of straight single-pointed needles from BCMRUN is made from stainless steel. They're lightweight and smooth, so your yarn will slide easily as you work. The set includes 11 pairs, from US 0 to 11, with the sizes marked on the top for easy identification. A cinch top bag holds the entire set, keeping the needles together. Locking stitch markers, a measuring tape, and tapestry needles are included as well. These knitting needles are made of stainless steel, lightweight, and smooth knitting. Number 3. Exquiss knitting needles set. If you're looking for a low-investment beginner set, this one from Exquiss has it all. It includes 18 pairs of straight needles and 18 circular needles in the most popular US sizes. The cords on the circular needles are made from flexible plastic tubing and the needles themselves are made from bamboo. In addition to the needles, this set includes a plastic case filled with helpful accessories. Use the scissors to snip your yarn and the measuring tape to check the dimensions of your work. The included locking and flexible stitch markers come in handy for nearly every project. Number 4. CLOVER interchangeable circular knitting needles. CLOVER Takumi Combo has a customized case to storage the 12 interchangeable needles for different sizes from 3 to 15 and 5 cords of different sizes to the knitters can adjust to the combination and project they want. A plus feature that makes these unique needles is their tapered tip, which is made to perfection and specially manufactured to give your projects a silky sensation. This is because the yarn slides softly and smoothly with every single stitch. Besides, all the needles and the cords come packaged in a sober case with tight garters to the needles do not move off this place, and you can lose some needle. Number 5. RELIAN knitting needles set. In this case, RELIAN offers knitter the possibility to buy a set with 18 pairs of bamboo needles plus 18 pairs of circular needles together, just under $27. The kit also has 2 kinds of needles with plastic tubes of different colors and others with a wooden stopper to avoid the needle's stitches. One of the best things about this kit is the accessories because it comes in a case with separations, so they do not mix it. Within these accessories include stitch markers, yarn needles, cable stitch holders, and more.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.